Good afternoon. This is my hotel, and it's called the Majestic Athletic Hotel. Our brand overview would be that we offer a unique experience that other hotels don't. We disconnect you from the outside world for a little bit and make you focus on, you know, athletic activities, exercise, and all this is very good for you and your body. It's a healthy vacation that's open to many different types of activities. Exercise gives off serotonin, and this causes happiness in the body. So it's something that's very, it can be very helpful and useful for you. Um, Apart from being taken away from the outside world, you also stay very close to it due to our location and where we are located. Our target audience would be professional athletes and teams, semi-professional athletes and teams, and just open to anyone in the public, as it would be a good experience for anyone, realistically speaking. This is the brand elements, which would be the symbol right there. That's the entryway into the hotel, with the name at the top. It's a luxurious entrance, very stylish, and this would be the hotel slogan, the Majestic Hotel where winners are molded. This is the position map. So we have, as you can see, the most exclusive due to quality and price would be the Plaza Hotel. Then you have the Roosevelt Hotel, Hotel 57, and New York Hotel. We would rank ourselves closer to the Plaza Hotel, being the quality and price that we provide. This would be our marketing and sales persona. His name would be Michael Hawk. He's 25 years old and he's married. Lives in Staten Island, New York. Earned his degrees in exercise science, which he then used to become a personal trainer. Makes about $70,000 a year, and is in charge of most of the purchasing decisions and buying decisions within the household. Being that he's a personal trainer, he's very active on social media, which is something that will benefit us because he promotes his business on social media, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and his TikTok channel. This is basically free marketing for us, as we don't have to promote necessarily. I mean, we do have to promote, but he is someone else that is promoting for us without us asking him to. He's very in tune with the social media life. Typical day in the life of Mike Hawk would be that he gets up in the morning, does his skincare routine, exercises, and meditates. He takes his skincare routine seriously as it helps him to alleviate stress. He enjoys watching anime and movies throughout the day whenever he has free time. He has a son and some pets, a fish, hamster, and ferret. Mike is always trying to focus on taking care of himself and finding hobbies that will allow him to do so, such as exercise, and getting into sewing actually help him alleviate his mind a lot. He hopes to find a significant other around the same age as him, and wants her to love exercising as much as he does, and he really wants to make himself a priority in becoming a better person and living a healthy lifestyle. He fears of getting out of shape and living unhealthy, and does not want to live a boring life. His main influences within his life are the people he trains at his job and his son. And in order to make his life easier, he just stays fit and learns more about personal training for his job. And brand affinities will be right there, as you can see on the bottom right. It consists of Gatorade, GNC, Foot Locker, Platinum Fitness, where he works as a personal trainer, Nike, and Whole Foods Market. Our value proposition, we offer all types of accommodation for any type of multi-sport athlete. We have various turf fields for any type of sport, whether it's soccer, football, baseball. We have physical trainers with We have physical therapy that come with trainers. We also have a massage room and a spa room, as well as a sauna room, a weight room so people can go and work out, nutrition area where people can go get healthy snacks throughout the day, such as yogurt, protein shakes, and stuff. A yoga studio, pool, and a track. We also have a court for basketball, dodgeball, or any activity you want to play in. And in the main floor in the lobby, we have a restaurant slash bar, so you can go catch a game. Maybe you don't want to go out for dinner, and you just go downstairs. We would be located in Manhattan, New York. It's the most popular city in the United States, and it's a huge tourist attraction. There's an exclusive day life, and a nightlife, and there's an easy transportation for all the tourists or anyone that would stay in our hotel. So you don't necessarily need a car. There's a lot of public transportation as well as cabs or Ubers. The decoration of the hotel would be a flashy, outgoing environment. It's very sports oriented. We'd have many amenities such as a restaurant, bar, the spa rooms and the saunas that we spoke about earlier, and different types of fields and courts to accommodate all these multi-sport athletes that would be coming into our hotel. Advertising would be big on digital and traditional marketing. Social media networks would be very influential for us, as we want to promote our hotel on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and TikTok. We want to bring in social media influencers and have them speak about what a day in the Majestic Athletic Hotel would be like, and a lot of website ads that you can find on Google, or maybe when you're scrolling through Facebook or any other page. Traditional marketing would also be very important for us. We'd want to come out in magazines, newspapers, TV commercials, and also on billboards along the side of the highway. Personal selling, we'd want to establish connections and relationships with sports teams that would be staying at our hotel, so we can offer accommodations. And we can get sponsors within their jerseys, team buses, or other equipment or apparel that they sell. We want athletes to be our brand sponsors so that they can, speak on us and speak about the pleasant stay that they experienced when staying with us. We'd also want to partner up with local tournaments and leagues so that we can accommodate the teams that they're coming in to participate in their league or tournament. Our brand extensions would include any type of gym equipment. I think that as the core base of our hotel would be sports and athletic performances and stuff. So anything around those areas would be a great way to extend the brand, such as water bottles, foam rollers, any type of gym equipment that is heavily used within athletes, and it's very popular. And that'd be all. So that would be the Majestic Athletic Hotel, and thank you for your time.